Yes, everyone. Right now, I'm just tired of talking about certain content creator on the YouTube streets because I was listening to Rodney Lifestyle talking about said yes, it's good for us as Jamaican reactors to start going international. And when I look into that young man idea, it's true because from the Nolan Wells case, and I have been watching a lot of American reactors. They are literally making the bags, you know. They are literally making the bags on the YouTube street. Said I did couple of videos speaking about Nolan Wells. Oh, he was drowned. Or when they did his autopsy in Mississippi. And I know that autopsy does not present to his parents, his family member. So they took his body from Mississippi now, bring it to another state. So when they bring it to the state now and they did the autopsy, guess what, guys? His throat was missing and his lungs. So sometimes it's those reaction videos I want to do. I even speak about Officer Tantrum. And he's doing well. He's a racist black guy. Yeah, man, living in America. He was the one that came out and I don't know where he get his information talking about Nolan Wells was on drugs. But I want Nolan Wells' parents to sue him. Just drop a lawsuit on him. Because he literally don't want Nolan Wells' parents to get justice. So it's those videos I want to start doing, guys. I'm tired of going back and forth with some non-progressive elements. Because I did a video about Dana British yesterday. She came out and she was talking about she was threatened. And I would not take that lightly if I was in Dana British TV. Sure. So when I saw Gloria come into my comment section and she was giving her 2 cents. And that was great for me because a lot of people literally commenting because of Gloria comment. That's why I always say to you guys, do not delete comment. Even when they're negative, leave them there. Is that the way people is going to know about Empress from Jamrock? Look at J Progress. Even J Progress get threatened a lot, but he's still putting out his international reaction videos and other videos speaking about Jamaicans. So sometimes we're getting up in our feelings same way. I speak about Knife Ninja Man. I speak about Jamrock Radio, Color Smith TV, Sheridan, Dana British, and Service Lifestyle, Mr. Service Lifestyle. And I speak about so much reactors. And guess what? It is building my YouTube channel. Yes. Said yes, guys, I'm a reactor. And when me come out, me just tap my mind. So some people said yes in my comment section. Like I am uneducated. Yes, I don't go to college or university, but guess what? I'm streetwise. And when I come out, I speak my mind and I speak the truth. Because I'm not going to come on the YouTube street and destroy my YouTube channel. It's not easy to build a YouTube channel. So when I come out and speak the truth. I do my little research. I do not just come out and just blow out stuff that don't go that way. Because you will destroy yourself. So yes, guys, I want to do international reaction videos. It's right here the money is. Jamaicans, reactors, if anyone out now watch me. So just start going there. Because sometimes I'm just tired of speaking about some people get up in their feelings. And they are threatening other reactors. It's not good. So me see Mr. Mass man. Me not see you know, but me glad me sorry so me never get to see your video. Because I would go and comment about your bad behavior. Because then they have a mass man in Jamaica, a couple months ago, and no one resurfaced a threatened than a British. So what's special about these mass man? I call those mass men cowards. Come out and give your 2 cents. The time that you're attacking Jamaican reactors. Why don't you go international and wear that mask and make that money? But no. You want to choose to attack your people. And we have to stop it, man. Start thinking out of the box and make that money. Because YouTube pay is good. How much as you see me do reaction videos, you know, and normal video, me work, you know. So when me see some people in the comment section and say, reactors, we are lazy. We are not lazy. We actually have our 9 to 5. But we do this on the side. A lot of reactors, content creators, make videos on the side and they actually make that money. Actually make that money, guys. So me no believe say Dana British really come and in her video and crying and telling lie on herself. Why would she go down that road? Certain road I'm not gonna venture off in, guys. I want to stay on the straight and narrow way and build my YouTube brand. I don't want to come and tear down nobody. Even that I was telling you about that guy, Pop Smoke. You know how they find him and took him out in 2020 and take that money from off of him? His address. Say, cyber bullying is real. It's real, guys. People can find you. You have to be careful what you talk on the social media app. Because they can't find you. This one app no can find me on YouTube. So I mean, I don't really unhaul different apps. That's nobody can go and dig up my file. No, nobody can dig up Empress from Jamrock file. Yes, I have a pass. Just like you can go and dig up a liver file. Yes, my Sheridan file. And then no dig up that British file no. Talk about what I think me used to talk about than British, you know. Yeah, man, I saw a lot of you guys coming out accusing the lady of being that person. Now, if you stop it, man. The time is someone who come and tear down and dig up people. And dig up Jamaican files. Start going international, is right there the money is. But no, some of you are cowards. You just know how to come out and tear down on the Jamaicans. And I say, yes, that is okay. I can continue doing it. Go and make some international reaction videos. It's right there I'm going to venture off in. But I know how far to go with this. There's no far to go with your mouth. Because a lot of American reactors have to literally take down their videos because of lawsuit. Lawsuit. Because even the same birth, the same one where was on the sinking ship or boat. Yeah, man. He's suing a white lady for calling him out in Nolan's Wells murder case. And I know nobody have not been arrested. Can you believe that almost 1 month Nolan is no more? Went out with his white bodies on the 4th of July. And the 6th they found his body. Is that content on must do Jamaican reactors to contents like those? But don't think that they're gonna just grow overnight. It's gonna take time. Because I have do reaction videos. Yes, Officer Tantrum. And I actually probably gonna have 500 odd views on that video. I think that video probably be 10 days now. It's international Empress from Jamrock one figure. I tired of talking about some people where things say when we see things in their videos, we cannot call them out. Yes, call them out. Yes, guys, I'm not AI, you know. So sometimes because I'm speaking so fast, I stuttered. I'm not AI. Because AI is just for a time. Because AI is taking our jobs. So anywhere the humans can venture into and make that money, just to keep afloat, just to exist on this earth here, we're gonna do it. But AI is literally taking everybody's job. No matter if you go to university or college, yeah, AI is taking over. So anyway, guys, thanks for listening. Just have a wonderful day. Bye.